Before this video starts, I want to let everybody know to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can become part of the mega gang. What's poppin' YouTube? You already know what it is. It's about to get mega. We got Taj Mega with the mega things. He got the mega things. Rude boy is out here with the mega things. You know, I've been gone for a little bit. We went to the rings of Saturn. I mean, we was past 30,000 feet where electronics could no longer be used and had to be stored in an overhead cabin. But I'm back now. I'm back. You ever heard of jet lag? Shuttle lag. You've been in a rocket shuttle, you would know what I was talking about. But besides that, we back with something hot. New weapon unlocked. Yes sirree, Bobby. We just picked up something so far. I'm gonna show that to y'all. We gonna show y'all the ammo that I picked up, and we gotta clean the Hellpup because we took it to the range and we ain't cleaned it yet. It's probably really dirty, so we'll be back in a minute. I get everything set up. We'll be back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright YouTube, we back, and first things first, what we got is the ammo that I have collected. I went out yesterday on an ammo run, had to get me some 40 cal ammunition and some 9mm ammunition. I also got some secret ammunition that you might have just saw. If you're smart, you might know what that is. But we got some Remington. These is for the range. Always good for the range. We also got some Remington 40 caliber. Remington is like a household. If you need to go do something, get you some Remington. I mean, you're bold enough, you use these full metal jackets for protection, but I wouldn't recommend that. I also got this other ammo, just called Ammo Incorporated. Comes in a black box. This is some good ammo. I got this because I need to test this because I put it in my 40 Smith & Wesson and it always happens to give me a jam or some type of malfunction. Yeah, malfunction. Yes. But yeah, I want to test that ammo. And also what we got here is this Sportmaster Sierra. I buy this because it's actually the SIG ammo. It's just been rebranded, different box. For the 9mm, I got me some Sportmaster Sierra, and I also got me some outdoor. Probably use that at the range. We use this right here for defense. Also, what we got right here is some stuff. I've been looking for it and I can't find it no more. It's called Liberty Ammunition Ultralight. I've seen the Civil Defense brand. I've seen the Civil Defense, but I haven't seen the Ultralight anywhere. But I don't know if it's like a rebrand or a rename or something like that. But this is 9mm plus P. It is made out of some weird nickel or something like that. Like, it is light, like feels like a coin in your hand. I'm gonna show y'all what this bullet looks like because I ain't never really seen nothing like this. I've looked it up on YouTube and I've seen a couple of videos of where they are shooting bulletproof vests and stuff like this. And this is going through the vest and leaving gigantic cavities. So maybe we'll get us some ballistics gel and shoot some of these if I can find some. Alright, so first things first, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your weapon is clear of any ammunition. So how you're going to do that is you're going to pick the weapon up. You're going to open the chamber, slide the bolt back, check in there, make sure there's no ammunition in there. Make sure there's no mag inserted in this rifle, pistol, weapon, firearm. Then you're going to make sure that you point that in a safe direction, pull the trigger, weapon is clear. Alright, so first thing I'm going to show you how to do is to quickly field strip an AK-47, which is not that hard. All you got to do is take your AK-47, you want to push this button in right here, pull this off, call this a dust cover. Then you want to push this little spring in right here. Slide this out. This is your guide spring. And then you want to push the trigger down, trigger mechanism. And then you can slide the bolt out. And here's your bolt carrier group. Pretty simple. So then from there, start cleaning. What you want to do is first you gotta have stuff to clean it with. You need something that's gonna break down that carbon, so some type of gun cleaner. I use hops, black and regular hops. Then you're gonna need some oil after you get done to oil it back up. You're also gonna need a rag and some of these little cloths right here and a cleaning kit. You can get one of these from the store for about 30-40 bucks, good one. You're gonna open that up, set this to the side. Alright, and you're gonna take your gun cleaner, you're gonna shake it up real good. Then what you want to do is you want to take this, you want to spray some down your barrel. Spray some all up in your action. You want to try to spray some down the front of your barrel. Like so. You want to get it all up in here. What you want that to do is get in there and run down all there and break up all that carbon you got built up in there. Now I got a lot. Alright, so then you want to take one of these wide bristle brushes after you let that sit for a little bit. You come back through with that wide bristle brush. You get in there and you break all the carbon up off the side. You gotta get you one of these two-piece ones. See, it's double-sided. You can get in the thin sides and all that thin spots. But you just want to get in there and break all the carbon down. Because that gun cleaner's already loosened it up. So you just want to get in there and brush. And this is going to make sure that your action stays smooth. You don't get no jams, none of that. Misfires, malfunctions. Alright, so once you do that, you want to get this out of your cleaner kit. It's a rod, a little handle. I just got another one of those wire brushes. What I usually do is I take the wire brush and spray it down, get it nice and soapy. Soapy and drippy, Take the rifle. Alright, so once you get that rod down there and get it down in your barrel, what you want to do is you want to run along with that liquid down, straight down. So hold your gun barrel down on the mat, spray some in there. And what this is going to do is get all the carbon out of your gas block, out of your barrel, all of that. So we let that all run down like so. Take our brush back into the barrel. Yeah, and you want to take that like so, lay it back down, and then you can see all the carbon that just poured out of your gas block and out of your barrel. So then what you want to do after that, you want to spray down your spring. After you spray this stuff down, you want to let it sit because you want that degreaser chemical that you're putting on here to break it down. To take your bolt apart, simply pull it out like so. I'm going to show you how to put it back together. This bolt is filthy. Soak it down. I'm back. So once you soak them down, you let that get on there, start breaking that stuff down. We've already cleaned the barrel out. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take this toothbrush to the bolt carrier group and the spring, get all the carbon off of those. You don't got to clean the dust cover. It's a dust cover. It literally serves one function, and that's to keep all the carbon from blasting into your face. You can go up underneath there and clean that or whatever if you want to, but it really doesn't need to be clean. Then you'll give it a good wipe. Alright, so you're going to take the bolt right here. You're going to hit it with this brush. Brush real good. You let it sit for a little bit, and that's going to break all the carbon down off here, because that's what messes up weapons, especially when you shoot steel case. You get all kinds of stuff, all kinds of buildup. That's why this gun is filthy. Alright, take this right here, get this in, get in here. So, got your guide rod in there. Alright. And that's good enough for an AK. After that, you want to take these little white things right here, and you want to wipe all the black out. All the black out. Let me show you. See all this black stuff on my hands? I don't mind cleaning my guns with. I don't know gloves or nothing like that, but take it easy. You're just going to wipe all the carbon. You're just going to wipe until you see white. Keep wiping, wiping, wiping. Put all that good stuff out on the mag wheel. Get your mag wheel real clean. See, fairly clean for AK, if I say. So after you do that, what you're going to do is wipe down the rest of the pieces. These are the filthy parts. Look at that. Oh, it's black. Black filthy. Black filth carbon. Get all this carbon off here. The black filth. So let me get all this carbon off here, all this black filth, and I'll be back to show y'all the next step. What you want to do is you're going to put the little attachment with the little loop on, and then you're going to pull your cloth through like that, and then you just want to try to push it through your barrel. Push it right through like that. What that's doing is getting all the carbon out. As you can see, mine is filthy. Alright, so after you do that, what you want to do is you want to wipe everything down with this. So we're going to start with wiping down this chamber in this area. Wipe down the whole gun, front of the gun. What you're trying to do is get all that carbon off her. It breaks down oils and stuff. But we got the oil again, so the action is smooth. So we don't want that. So what we're trying to do is get all the rest of the grime out. Once that is done, what you do is take your oil, put you some oil right here on this inside rail, we'll drop oil on that inside rail, a little oil down the barrel. You only need a drop of oil. Alright, so you're going to put your bolt carrier back together, take the piston, slide it right in the gas tube, line it up with the rails. Once you get it lined up with the rails correct, push down, slide forward. Then you want to take your guide rod spring, put that in, push in, slide it into the little grooves right there, bam. Now the weapon is functionable. All you gotta do is apply the dust cover, but before we apply the dust cover, I want to put some oil on this. This is the moving part, so you always want to make sure your moving parts got a little drop of oil on them. I'll drop on them parts right there. Keep that action flowing smooth for me. So then what I'm gonna do is apply this dust cover like so, and then it's really finicky when you got one of these sight holders on here, because it just wants to keep sliding around. Once you get it locked on there like that, you just slap, and now it's on. And that, my friend, is how do you clean an AK-47. Alright, so the first thing I want to show y'all is this. Man, if you can guess what kind of round this is, then I'm for sure you can guess what the new weapon unlock is. Oh yeah, baby. We're going marksman. We're going sniper. We're going knock Bambi down with the Ruger American Predator bolt action rifle, chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor. Match the outfit, don't it? Yeah, it's clean, ain't it? Green on green, ain't it? Yep, but it got a little cheap scope on here. Bought it with that on there. Smooth action. Ooh. Ooh. Just really smooth. It's got a not too shabby on the stock. I like the color, but you already know what we do over here. We outfit our weapons. So we're going to be outfitting this with a Sharps Brothers Heat Seeker. Going to get a nice buttstock and a nice hand grip on there. Eventually we're probably going to change out this barrel, and we are definitely going suppressed with this. We are getting the tack stamp as soon as I find out which suppressor is best for this gun. If y'all know anything about that, leave that in the comments too. And you know what the next video is. We're going to take this to the range, and we're going to see how far out we can reach. So like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.